Holla at your boy. Holla at your Rob Roy, back at it again, just to be back at it again. Woo! Alright, back at it. Mike, shout out to MikeandNice.com. Holla at your boy one more again. Check those out. We got some Ohio State Adidas fresh off the press Big Ten wrestling shoes emblem. These are a size US 1. Holla at your boy, holla at your Rob Roy. Thumbs up the video. Well, I'll tell you a little backstory. I wanted to do a video about the way this customs, you see that the greatest of all times. Holla at your boy. Wanted to do a video about this customs, but we had to hurry, like I said, when sometimes we don't got time to shoot the video. You know, so sometimes we just got to pump them out there. But go to MikeandNice.com, send a contact us, and share your idea. We'll just go from there. Holla at your boy. Put some links in the below. But I think this came out outstanding. Anybody that follow the Big Ten, you know, that's how they do it now. And they do B-I-G like that, Big Ten. You know, it's Ohio State wrestlers. But, you know, we don't limit it just to wrestling shoes. Holla at your boy. We do cleats. We do Air Force Ones, Jordans, Yeezys, anything you'll put on your feet. If you want to do some soccer cleats, baseball, football, holla at your boy. If you want to get some custom cleats, we also do custom shoes. So, well, follow along and be sure to subscribe. And if you got any questions of what we get in our inspiration, or you're a customizer and you got some ideas, and then you're looking for somebody else to give you a couple hints of where to go, a little direction, holla at your boy. Shout out to MikeandNice.com. Till the next time, salute.